Azure Maps provides a number of services to help with hackathon projects that need maps or other geospatial features, whether you're interested in location data, routing, geofencing, weather, or local points of interest. You can plot data on a map, find routes between locations, adding extra intelligence such as accident data, get the time zone of a city, determine if a vehicle is where it should be, or find opening times of health support resources, all via making web calls to a REST API or using a JavaScript SDK. Maps has multiple tools and services that you can use in your hack. The Azure Maps JavaScript map control gives you an interactive map you can put on your web pages, with multiple views such as roads, satellite, and high contrast to improve accessibility. You can add data to the map, such as route plans and traffic data. Each map can be augmented with layers, graphics to represent any data you wish. For example, you can show pollution data by adding coloured bubbles to the map with different colours representing different air quality levels. Or you could add stacked blocks that show the population density of countries or states. Using these layers, you can visualize all manner of data. By combining map data with layers, you can build a wide range of geospatial visualization apps. For example, you could create a web app that shows biking routes on a map, combined with layers that show accident hotspots to help indicate which routes are safest. You can also download map tiles for use in your apps, with road or satellite data as needed. The Azure Maps geolocation service allows you to convert a user's IP address to a country to allow you to provide country-specific data or services to them. The search service can convert a street address to map coordinates and vice versa. It can get points of interest, such as shops or hospitals, including searching based on opening times. For example, you can find all doctors open at the current time in your current location. The Timezone service allows you to get the time zone of a location, as well as converting times from one time zone to another. Great for managing those in-person calls with folks in another time zone. The traffic service can provide information on current traffic levels and traffic flow. The route service can provide details on the optimal route from one location to another, not just based on the shortest route, but also the most fuel-efficient route for different types of vehicles, such as petrol-driven vehicles or electric vehicles. You can even specify multiple waypoints and have it predict the most efficient route that goes to all waypoints, for example, given the best route for delivering goods to multiple locations. The weather service can give you current weather conditions for a location, the upcoming forecast, the weather predictions for a route, and even give you severe weather alerts. The Geospatial service allows you to define geofences, geographic regions on a map, and then determine if points are inside or outside the fence, or how close they are to the edge. These services can be used to determine if a vehicle is where it should be, or if a device tagged with a GPS sensor has moved somewhere it shouldn't, or even if a driver has arrived home so you can turn on their heating. You can learn more about Azure Maps on Microsoft Learn, our free, online, hands-on, self-guided learning platform. Head to aka.ms/hackathon/maps for a collection of modules covering Azure Maps.